All right if you're storing personal or important files online. Yeah, protecting that data is a big deal. In this full guide, I'll show you how to protect sensitive data in Google Drive, step by step. First, protect your Google account with a strong password and two-step verification. When sharing files, keep access set to restricted, so only specific people can open them. Only give editing access when absolutely necessary. Use viewer or commenter whenever possible. Try not to use anyone with the link for sensitive files. It's much less secure. Check file permissions regularly and remove people who no longer need access. If you're using shared drives, make sure only trusted team members have access. Use the activity panel to see who viewed, edited, or shared your files. Never stay logged in on public or shared computers. Always sign out when you're done. Keep backups of critical files in case something gets deleted or changed accidentally. And yeah, that's how you protect sensitive data in Google Drive. A few smart habits, and your files stay much safer online.